The history of Hot Pockets. Hello and welcome to Crazy Food History, where we explore the world of food and drink. As nostalgic as Hot Pockets may make you, how much do you actually remember about your go-to childhood snack? Discover the untold story of Hot Pockets from its non-American roots to the really nasty reason they were once recalled, and even a hack to cook them correctly. Due to their calzone-like design and occasionally unconventional pizza contents, Hot Pockets can seem to have been created by Italians or Italian Americans. That, however, is not the case. Two Iranian immigrants are responsible for the creation of this ho-so-American freezer favorite. Paul and David Mirage, two Jewish Iranian brothers, immigrated to the United States from Tehran and are credited for creating Hot Pockets and their numerous iterations. Chef America Inc. was established by the Mirage Brothers in 1977, and so we set out to develop a microwaveable portable sandwich using a dough that would keep the crunch even after being frozen and thawed. Their 1980 invention, which launched under the name Tasty Witch, didn't endure long under that moniker. Hot Pockets first appeared on store shelves in 1983 under their current name, the Tasty Witch's new and improved recipe. This name sounds so different and funny. Let us know in the comments section if you have some better name for it. Now, the genuine roots of this famous food should be better known. To begin, in 2002, Chef America was purchased by Nestle, and most of us undoubtedly link Hot Pockets with the same firm that owns other very American brands like Gerber, Tollhouse, and Stoffers. As the owner and manufacturer of Hot Pockets since 2002, Nestle places a strong emphasis on the product's high quality in all their marketing materials. High-quality ingredients are crucial even in applications as mundane as microwaveable frozen treats. You may be thinking, come on, we're talking about Hot Pockets here. The quality of those constituents can't be that high, can it? Well, the response may shock you. In 2013, as part of the Better Taste, Better Quality campaign, the frozen snack received some recipe adjustments in an effort to appeal to the millennial demographic, who is known for placing a premium on food quality. The company advertised its new and better ingredients, including quality meats, authentic cheese from Wisconsin dairy producers, fresh baked bread, and homemade sauce. That's a lot more refined than what you'd get in a Hot Pocket, wouldn't you say? Another unexpected feature of many Hot Pocket products is that they boast 10 grams of protein or more per serving. This means that instead of choking down a chalky protein smoothie, millennials may happily devour a Hot Pocket, complete with all its millennial-friendly elements. In an effort to appeal to health-conscious consumers in the wake of the millennials' resurgence in 2013, Hot Pockets had their recipes modified. Because, let's be honest, eating 3 Hot Pockets for lunch might still feel like a slightly awful decision in life, despite each having 10 grams of protein and 100% real cheese. The 2015 update to the recipe involved the elimination of artificial flavors and a 10% reduction in sodium. Nestle assured consumers that their beloved Hot Pocket flavor will remain unaffected by the upcoming changes. The rewarding makes logical sense. Frozen, ready-to-eat food brands should give healthier options now that customers are demanding them from fast food restaurants. In the same year, Forbes found that 88% of customers stated they would pay extra for healthier food. This is likely not a coincidence. In addition, participants of all ages and genders preferred foods that contain no artificial coloring or taste. Hot Pockets were forced to make their product look more wholesome. It's a response to consumer demand. The desire for a Hot Pocket can be overwhelming at times. It's past midnight, there's been a few drinks, and the craving for a Hot Pocket is overwhelming. When you realize you're out of Hot Pocket dough, the mature choice is to have a sober pal go out and make a delivery. However, what if they don't bring back the merchandise? What effect does it have on you? The lies and the stories behind this situation when people ran for Hot Pockets and committed crimes. Yes, this is a headline of old times. If you know this story, then let us know in the comment box and let us know if you would do the same. But wait, let's say you have all the Hot Pockets you would want, but have you ever existed if you haven't bit into a Hot Pocket and burned the roof of your tongue and all your taste buds off with the lava-like tomato sauce? Will my mouth get on fire, you may be wondering? Your mouth can be utterly ruined if this happens to you. And for the next 30 days, it seems like everything may even have a rubbery aftertaste. Do you know what the actual problem is? Well, if you're confused, we'll make it clear to you. The problem is that you have to boil the filling out of the ends of the Hot Pocket in order to get the middle to the right temperature. We've all seen where this is going with Hot Pockets, but there's another option. Lifehacker claims that a now-deleted thread on Reddit provides a way to evenly disperse the sizzling stuffing. First, microwave your Hot Pocket for 75% of the total allotted time. The next step is to remove the Hot Pocket, hold it by both ends, and give it a good shake. As a result, the warm stuffing at the pocket's ends will begin to seep towards the cooler region in the middle. The remaining time can be spent in the microwave. It's a done deal. You'll probably still burn your mouth to a crisp, but at least it won't be a third-degree burn this time. You could also wait patiently till the device cools. Probably not the kind of coverage Nestle had hoped to get for Hot Pockets. If it's true that all publicity is good publicity, then it's not all that awful if a famous promoter uses your product heavily. However, what about something that is recalled because it cannot be consumed by humans? That's enough to make you question your purchase, and that's why, as CNBC reports, Hot Pockets were pulled from shelves in 2014. Some versions of Hot Pockets used beef from the rancho feeding corpse, which led to the problem. The FDA issued a recall for that beef because the company handled dead and sick animals, so you may want to rethink your purchase back then. We were spared the indignity of giving up our favorite Hot Pocket flavor, pepperoni pizza, because the recall only applied to the Philly steak variety. However, a new sentence was announced for February of 2020. Hot Pockets heiress and ex-executive Michelle Janoves was sentenced to 5 months in prison for using bribery to get her daughter admitted to the University of Southern California, and Janoves paid a total of $300,000. Janoves, according to CNN, had admitted guilt on all counts. After serving 5 months in prison, she also had to pay a $250,000 fine and undergo 2 years of supervised release. When you take a Hot Pocket out of the microwave, it always seems like magic happened no matter how many times you've done it. Despite the stereotype that microwaves make food soggy, you may be surprised to find that the Hot Pocket's crust is actually crisped up after being heated. What in the world is it doing? A susceptor is the official name for that amazing crisping sleeve. It's not magic, but a clever combination of metal lamination and cardboard, at least according to how stuff works. It's all a question of how much energy is transformed. The food can brown in the microwave because the susceptor transforms microwave energy into radiant heat. Happily, the first susceptor was patented in 1981, just in time for the Mirage Brothers to employ it in their search for microwave-safe, crispy bread. Nestle suggests placing a paper plate underneath the crisping sleeve when heating a Hot Pocket, presumably so that the ceramic plate does not absorb any of the heat the Hot Pocket requires to be at its crispy best. These all things are nostalgic, the magic that make our childhood amazing, but, after all, this big history, you must be in doubt. Not just the finest product evaluation overall, but it seems like everyone associates Hot Pockets now with Jim Gaffigan. There must be some branding value there. So what do you think? Let us know in the comment box below. We are eagerly awaiting for your response, and here are a few videos with some super exciting facts. You will love them. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Be hungry and keep watching our videos, and we'll meet you in our next one.